Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate and today I'd like to share with you some quick fixes for your fountain dispenser. These are provided by DonaStar Enterprises. So the first issue that comes up in some sites on their fountain soda machines is that the machine will not power up. So you would say my machine won't power up, and you would want to confirm that the machine is plugged in and turned on using the key. Then you want to check your power cord and your circuit breaker. Make sure the machine is plugged in. If it is, go in the back and check the circuit breaker. Make sure the breaker is not tripped. Next issue you would have is no water comes out, but CO2 and syrup does. In this case, you want to confirm that your main water valve is on and ensure that the carbonator is plugged into a working outlet. Another issue is only syrup comes out. In this case, you want to confirm that the main water valve is on. Ensure that the filter on the water line is not expired and check the incoming pressure on the gauge. Usually on the water filters, you will see a gauge on the top of the filter head, and you can just check the pressure at that point right there. Then you want to ensure that the carbonator is plugged in and that the outlet has power. Another issue is no syrup or CO2 comes out, but water does. In this case, you want to ensure that the CO2 tank is on and not empty. If the CO2 tank is empty, then you will need to replace the CO2 tank. Or if you have a bulk tank, a bulk CO2 tank, you'll want to go ahead and open up a call to have that bulk tank refilled. Another solution is you want to check your syrup bib and make sure if your bib is empty, you want to replace it. Another solution is to clean the bib connector, the valve nozzle, and diffuser to confirm that there's no clogs. If this quick fix doesn't help, then you can always give DonaStar a call and learn how to clean clogged lines. Another issue that comes up is syrup and water comes out without carbonation. In this case, you want to ensure that the carbonator is plugged into a working outlet and the GFI isn't reset. You also want to ensure that the CO2 tank is on and not empty. If it is empty, replace it. You'll also want to check if the CO2 tank is new. If your CO2 tank is new, you'll need to run that machine until you get carbonation. Sometimes you have to purge some of the syrup through, the soda through, until the carbonator recharges the system. Another issue that comes up is my machine is making an airy sound. So it's when someone makes a selection, it's just mainly pushing out CO2 out of the nozzle. In this case, you want to confirm that the carbonator is plugged in and the outlet is operational. Another issue that comes up is one or more beverages are pouring with an excess of foam. So you're getting a lot of foam. In this case, you want to ensure that the ice is in the dispenser and covering the cold plate. If your beverage is above 38 degrees, foaming will occur. So you want to be sure that ice is dropping and going down onto that cold plate. Another quick fix is you want to reduce the water flow by adjusting the left knob behind the flavor. Another quick fix is you could calibrate the syrup ratio back to 5.5 to 1. So these are just a few quick fixes that you can use if your fountain beverage machine is down or is giving issues. These are some of the quick fixes that you can use. I hope this is helpful. If you ever need to, you can contact DonaStar at the link that's provided down in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay well.